In this video, I want to show you some amazing tricks in Excel that will help you in your productivity. The first amazing trick is how to get the serial numbers automatically. Normally, to generate the serial number, we enter the numbers and drag it. So we'll delete this. Second option is we type any number, select the number, go to Home, go to Fill, click on Series. In Series in, we'll select columns. Step value, we'll keep it as 1. Stop value, if I put it as 100 and click OK, it will generate 100 numbers over here. That is the serial numbers. So let's delete this. Let's see how we can generate serial number without typing. So we are going to use sequence formula. The formula will be equal to sequence. We'll add count A. Now the value 1 will be, whatever value we are going to enter in product, based on that it will generate the serial number. So we are going to enter the value 1 as T3, that is D column, third row, and the numbers that I want to generate automatically is till D100. So I'll type D100 over here, close the bracket for count A and close the bracket for sequence and press enter. Now if I enter anything in product, say mouse, it will automatically generate the serial numbers. Let's try for another product. So I'll add keyboard. It will give the serial number automatically, that is 2. So if you see, whenever I type something in product, it automatically generates the number in the serial number. So let's move to the second trick. We have a table here with month and sales done in those months. Let's add one more column because I want to see the data in a chart with a target line for sales. That's the target line. So I'm going to draw a target line in the chart. So I'll add a target here. So the target for the sales is, say, 70. I'll drag it till end. Now we'll select the data, go to insert, click on chart, and we'll select a simple chart over here. So if you look at the chart, the blue bars indicates the sales done in months and the orange bars indicates the target. But I want to draw a target line instead of so many orange bars. So what we can do is click on any orange bar. You can click on any orange bar, right click on it, click on change series chart type. So you'll get a window. At the bottom of the window, in front of the target, click on the drop down and we'll select a line chart over here. So any line you can select from here. I'll click on first one and click OK. And you will see a single orange line drawn, which is the target line that we needed. So our target is 70. And if you look at the chart, the target line has been drawn at the line 70. So that is the second amazing trick which you can use. Now let's move to the third amazing trick. So we'll go to the next sheet. We have some data here. We'll see how we can copy only the visible data. So to do that, first of all, we'll hide some of the columns. So I'll select column D, column E, right click, and I click on hide. So if I have to select the data, copy it and paste it somewhere else, it pastes all the data including the hidden columns. So here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, and if you look at here, it will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the order value and bottom line which we have hidden is still showing in the pasted value. So let's delete this first. Again, we'll select the data. To copy only the visible cells, first of all, you'll have to press Alt colon, then press Ctrl C. And now if you paste, you will get only those columns or those data which are visible. So the columns which were hidden will not be visible here.